Here's how you turn an Applewood log into $100. Let's go.
Step 1, cut as many 8-inch sections as you can, making sure obviously to cut perfectly perpendicular to the grain because we want these to stand upright later. Next, grab your Arbortech Turboplane and start roughing out the vase shapes. Turboplane's great because it gives you enough control to make really fine changes, but it can also hug out a bunch of material really quickly to get to where you want to be a little faster. At this stage, I'm just going for rough shapes. I want them all to be different. Some rounded, some with flat facets, some with a twist. Just let the grain guide you, and be ready to change plans depending on what you see. The end bit needed to be flattened to stand up straight, for example. Next, the Manpa crack cutter. It's like a drill, only way better. You have a lot more control because you're gouging rather than drilling, so you can adjust the diameter of the hole and the shape as you go. I have an extension on this bit, so I know when I hit that, I'm perfectly deep enough. Loads of friction from this tool, obviously, so if the wood's still a little wet, you get a lot of steam when you're done. Time to refine these shapes to exactly the feel I'm going for, so I use the Kutzall shaping dish for this. I use the roughest one because I want to go fast. Plus, I know my next move is 80 grit sandpaper, which will easily get rid of the scratch marks and allow me to further refine the lines and shapes anyway. I also like that this disc is the exact size of the sander, so if the disc can cut the shape, then I know I can sand it perfectly later. That matters a lot more for bowls and sculptures though, but it is great for the twisty vases too. Sanding to 80 removes the marks, and then 220 to make these feel fantastically warm and smooth in the hand. People buy with touch as much as sight, so they have to feel good. Beeswax and mineral oil. Love this product from Clapham's. Food safe, doesn't color the wood, makes the natural warmth of that apple really shine through. All unique, beautiful grain, interesting shapes. These 5 mini vases will easily sell for $25 to $35 at my next show. Or you can go on the website and get them now. Subscribe if you're looking for more interesting projects.